सो हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे केमिस्ट्री का क्लास 11 का पहला चैप्टर विच इज़ सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। Chemistry is the science of molecules and their transformations. It is the science not so much of the 100 elements but of the infinite variety of molecules that may be built from them. Science can be viewed as a continuing human effort to systematic knowledge for describing and understanding nature. You have learned in your previous classes that we come across diverse substances present in nature and changes in them in daily life. Curd formations from milk, formation of vinegar from sugarcane juice on keeping for prolonged time, and rusting of iron are some of the example of changes which we come across many times. For the sake of convenience, science is subdivided into various disciplines like chemistry, physics, biology, and geology, etc. The branch of science that studies the preparation, properties, structure, and reactions of material substances is called chemistry. Development of chemistry. Chemistry, as we understand it today, is not a very old discipline. Chemistry was not studied for its own sake, rather, it came up as a result of search for two interesting things. First is philosopher's stone, which is known as paras, which would convert all baser metals, example iron and copper, into gold. Second is elixir of life, which would grant immortality. People in ancient India already had the knowledge of many scientific phenomena much before the advent of modern science. They apply the knowledge in various walks of life. Chemistry developed mainly in the form of alchemy and iatrochemistry during 1300 to 1600 CE. Modern chemistry took shape in the 18th century Europe. After a few centuries of alchemical traditions which were introduced in Europe by Arabs. Other cultures, especially the Chinese and Indian, had their own alchemical traditions. These includes much knowledge of chemical processes and techniques. In ancient India, chemistry was called Rasayan Shastra, Ras Tantra, Ras Kriya, or Ras Vidya. It included metallurgy, medicines, manufacture of cosmetics, glass, dyes, etc. Systematic excavations at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh and Harappa in Punjab prove that the story of development of chemistry in India is very old. Archaeological findings shows that baked bricks were used in construction work. It shows the mass production of pottery, which can be regarded as the earliest chemical process in which materials were mixed, molded, and subjected to heat by using fire to achieve desirable quantities. Remains of glazed pottery have been found in Mohenjo-daro. Gypsum cement has been used in the construction work. It contains lime, sand, and trace of calcium carbonate. Harappas made finds a sort of glass which was used in ornaments. They melted the and forged a variety of objects from metals such as lead, silver, gold, and copper. They improved the hardness of copper for making artifact by using tin and arsenic. A number of glass objects were found in Musky in South India 1000 to 900 BCE and Hastinapur and Taxila in North India 1000 to 200 BCE. Glass and glazes were colored by addition of coloring agent like metal oxide. Copper metallurgy in India dates back to the beginning of Chalcolithic cultures in the subcontinent. There are much archaeological evidences to support the view that technologies for extractions of copper and iron were developed indigenously. According to Rig Veda, tanning of leather and dyeing of cotton were practiced during 1000 to 400 BCE. The golden gloss of the black polished ware of northern India could not be replicated and is still a chemical mystery. These wares indicate the mastery with which kiln temperatures could be controlled. Kautilya's Arthashastra describes the production of salt from sea. A vast number of statements and material described in the ancient Vedic literature can be